Hello guys, I am back with another video. Today I gonna show you how to install KVM Virtual Machine Manager in Ubuntu operating system. KVM Virtual Machine is a tool that you can operate other any operating system without affecting your main operating system. It's same as VirtualBox or VMware, but KVM Virtual Machine is only for Linux operating system. You can install KVM Virtual Machine in any Linux operating system. Download and install process is same. So guys, let's start. Okay, first of all, open the terminal and update your machine. Type sudo apt-get update and press enter. Here type your login password and press enter. It will update your machine. Okay, after successfully update, clear the terminal and now type the following command and press enter. Here type Y and press enter to continue. It will download and install KVM virtual machine and all requirement tools. Okay, after successfully installed, now close the terminal. Okay, now go to application menu and find virtual machine. Here is it. Now simply open it. Okay, you can see KVM virtual machine successfully installed in my computer. Now you can install any operating system in the KVM virtual machine. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.